andito kami sa Matagog, Leyte, kung saan matatagpuan ang Boundary Peak. Hey guys, so paano namin sa Boundary Peak and hey! Paroon na rin, marag ninja ba? Ha? So at yun na nga, dumating na kami dito sa Boundary Peak. So namin dito sulod kayo, mag-register pa ko namin guys. So kung ano mag-register or register. We're high.
Yeah. And as you can see,
As you
there
can
are
see,
a lot of
there are
very stunning views. I hear.
palit sa amin ay kay gutom Ginoo. At ay kapoy dagsagka daro dag tubig.
Reklamo dai mo.
I was built to last when the waves are waving. I could change the past. I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic, it's psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh!
Diyan na no, para nindot atong sunod nga vlog jud. Ikaw so good pa lang, so na to da sa sudlanan sa pag-register. Di nagiging mo pakita si mong naong kay pang ulitaw ra man ni ikaw minyo ka. Pang ulitaw man. Tagbuni lang yung naong. Giling-giling ba?
So that's it for today guys, and with that being said, see you to my next video.
Yung pandemic ya.
Mahal na mong guni diri karon kay kanang
Dala. Ano guys, ang nice Burger Junction, affordable, delicious.